There's a few ways to draw complex shapes using primitives in Cavalry. I'm going to draw a very simple cloud shape. And now by default, when we enable the stroke, we are still seeing the individual strokes of all our elements. If you only want the drawing, so you're not going to animate or deform it, you can simply select all your layers and go to shape and then use the Boolean union function. And that's going to take care of that. So let's enable the stroke again, just to see what's happening here. Now we have one shape with one nice stroke. So that's one way to do this, but of course this is Cavalry. We can also do it procedurally. So let's remove this, make our original shapes visible again, go into, let's say, the first shape, doesn't really matter, and go to deformers and use the Boolean deformer here. And the Boolean deformer is basically the same thing as the function here, but we're not destroying our primitives. And now when we drag in one of the ellipse shapes, you see that the original rectangle is disappearing. First of all, we have to hide our original ellipse, and then we have to go to our Boolean, and instead of setting this to intersect, set this to union. And now you see that these two shapes are combined. So we just repeat this process. And there we go. Now we have our shape again. It's a little bit more work to set this up like this. So if you're just using the drawing, I think using the function under shapes is the fastest way. But of course, the big difference here is that we still have our original shapes, so we can make changes. You can even just group this and then use this as a shape, just so you have the flexibility to easily adjust the shape. But what's more fun is you can also animate this and do all kinds of things while maintaining this outline. Lastly, the union is only one of 4 functions the Boolean has. You've also got an intersection, a subtract, and an exclude, and you can combine these as well.